Welcome to the best picks. The best Sheltie ornament is probably one of the most heartwarming ways to celebrate the holiday season. Imagine the joy of adorning your Christmas tree with a charming Sheltie-themed ornament, a delightful tribute to your beloved furry friend. These ornaments aren't just decorations, they're a symbol of the love and companionship that Shelties bring into our lives, making your festive decor even more special. Number 5. Sheltie Christmas Ornament Shatterproof Ball. This ornament is made of high-quality, shatterproof material. It's designed to withstand the hustle and bustle of the holiday season, ensuring it remains a cherished part of your decorations for years to come. Each ornament features a realistic and detailed face of a Sheltie. The craftsmanship captures the unique charm of the breed, making it a delightful addition to any Christmas tree. The ornament comes in nice packaging, perfect for gift-giving. It's a thoughtful present for any Sheltie lover, ready to be given to a friend or family member. This ornament is the perfect holiday decoration. It adds a touch of festive cheer and personality to your home, making your Christmas tree stand out. The ornament is durable and designed to maintain its great appearance. You can enjoy its beauty year after year, as it continues to bring joy to your holiday celebrations. What we like. This ornament is shatterproof, ensuring it lasts for years. The realistic face adds a personal touch, making it a standout decoration. Plus, the packaging makes it perfect for gifting. If you have kids or clumsy pets, this durable ornament is a perfect choice. What people say. She absolutely loves it and was happy it was not glass. Beautiful colors. The Sheltie on the ornament looks much like the Sheltie my friend owns. She liked this ornament very much. Made a great gift. Number 4. Conversation Concepts Shetland Sheepdog Ornament. This charming ornament is a miniature Shetland sheepdog. It's perfect for adding a touch of joy to your holiday decorations or any time of year. The ornament comes with a winter scarf that can be removed. This allows you to customize the look, especially if you want to hang it from your rearview mirror. It has a flat bottom, so you can place it on a desk or shelf. This makes it a versatile piece for display. The ornament is mounted with a gold tone eyelet and cord. It's also delicately hand-painted on stone resin, adding to its charm. This ornament is approximately 1.5 to 2 inches tall. It's the perfect size to add a touch of cuteness to any space. What we like. This ornament features a removable winter scarf, offering versatility for year-round display. The flat bottom allows it to sit on a desk or shelf. It's also delicately hand-painted. If you like to display your Sheltie pride in various ways, this one is perfect for you. What people say. It's very nice looking little ornament. The paint looks good and it's heavy and sturdy. I expect it to survive decades of Christmases. This is an adorable ornament with much detail. Very accurate depiction of Shetland sheepdog. Number 3. Old World Christmas Sheltie Dog Ornament. This beautiful ornament is handcrafted using techniques from the 1800s. It's a perfect addition to your Christmas tree, bringing a touch of tradition to your holiday. Each ornament is made from molten glass, carefully mouth-blown into finely carved molds. This process ensures a unique and detailed design for each one. Looking for a special gift? This ornament is ideal for any dog lover. They will cherish it for years to come. The ornaments are all hand-painted and glittered. A series of labor-intensive steps are taken to achieve the beautiful creations. This Sheltie ornament features a traditional design. It's a charming and classic decoration for your Christmas tree. The ornament measures 3.75 inches in length, 1.75 inches in width, and 2 inches in height. It's the perfect size to add a touch of holiday cheer to your tree. What we like. This ornament is handcrafted using traditional techniques, making it a unique piece. The molten glass is mouth-blown into molds, and then hand-painted and glittered. If you are looking for a classic, high-quality ornament, this is a great choice. What people say. Every ornament we have ordered has been exceptionally made and the attention to detail is amazing. It is lightweight and durable. They are so beautiful and made painstakingly to look like each breed. It looks like the old 80s style ornaments from my childhood and was perfect for our tree this year. Number 2. Conversation Concepts Sheltie Angel Dog Ornament, Sable. This adorable ornament is perfect for any Sheltie lover. It's a beautifully detailed, hand-painted piece made with vinyl and resin. It's a great gift for anyone who loves Shetland sheepdogs. The ornament is crafted from durable vinyl and resin. It features a lovely gold finish, adding a touch of elegance. The gold cord makes it easy to hang on a tree. This ornament comes with a gold cord, ready to hang on your Christmas tree. It's a charming addition to your holiday decorations. It's also a great way to remember your beloved pet. Looking for the perfect gift for a Sheltie owner? Look no further. This ornament is a thoughtful and unique present. They will surely cherish it. The ornament is approximately 212 inches tall. It's the perfect size to display on a tree, desk, or shelf. It's a wonderful way to show off your love for Shelties. This ornament is meticulously hand-painted with stone resin. The flat bottom allows it to stand on a desk or shelf. It's a beautiful piece of art. What we like? This ornament features an adorable angel design, perfect for Sheltie lovers. It's beautifully hand-painted and has a flat bottom for versatile display. If you are looking for a sweet and unique gift, this one is perfect for you. What people say? Very representative of a Sheltie. The ornament itself is beautiful and looks even better than the picture. Description of the ornament was exactly what I received. Number 1. ENS Pets Sheltie Ornament, DIY Personalizable. Looking for a high-quality Sheltie ornament? This one features an adorable Sheltie with a glazed finish. It's the perfect gift for any Sheltie owner. You can personalize this ornament by writing your loved one's name or the year on it. It's a DIY ornament, allowing you to add a special touch. The artwork on this ceramic ornament features lifelike details of your favorite Sheltie, created by one of the best artists. Show it off to your friends and family. This ornament comes with a red ribbon, ready to hang on your Christmas tree. You'll cherish the memory of your pet Sheltie forever. It will become part of your holiday tradition. Made from designer porcelain with a sublimation coating, this ornament is durable and long-lasting. It's crafted and printed with the finest artwork of your favorite Sheltie. Part of the proceeds from this ornament support animal shelters. It helps them find new homes for pets in need. We take pride in our work and offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, we will refund your money. No questions asked. What we like? This ornament is DIY personalizable, allowing you to add a special touch. It has a high-quality glazed finish and supports animal shelters. If you like to create a personalized gift or want to support a good cause, this is the perfect choice. What people say? Picture of lab is great. Very good quality ceramic. Looks as advertised. This is really cute and heavier than expected. Looks very nice on the tree. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.